So this is how you can look at unread emails on the iPhone. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So if we get inside of the Mail app, you can see that I might be browsing my inbox, right? And I can see my emails, but some of them are read while others are still unclicked and unread. So you can see it by the dot indicator toward the left, right? So as you can tell, this one is open and the second one is open too. If I click on it, the dot disappears as it's been opened. But how do you actually filter it by only those which you haven't read just yet? For that, you need to come back with an arrow in the top left corner as such and come back to this main section. So in here, you can see that I'm signed in with a Gmail account as well as iCloud email. But in order to see all of those which you haven't read and haven't opened yet, go entirely to the top to the mailboxes section where both are put together. And in here, I can see a couple of different folders, but in order to add more or view more, click on edit right there and make sure that the unread option is selected, because if I select it and check the unread and hit done, it's gonna appear right in here. I can even hold down on it and put it at the top if I wanted to. And then now I can click on unread, and now only the emails which have the blue dot, meaning I haven't touched them, are going to be part of this list. So now if I, for example, click on this Macy's promotional email, right, and if I come back, you can see that it is no longer going to be part of this section because this is dedicated for those you haven't clicked on yet. So that's how you can browse it, and it's nice because at the top section of emails, you can see that it combines both iCloud as well as Gmail all put together, and I have perfect idea about my stuff and I can see the unread emails. So that's how you can do this. I hope that I was able to explain it. For more thoughts or questions about this, use the comment section below. Subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one, and I'll see you later.